If you have been holding off installing the Windows April 10, 2018 update, perhaps because of the numerous problems that have hit the latest version of Windows 10, that doesn't mean Microsoft has forgotten about you. In fact, it's just released a pair of cumulative updates for people running Windows 10 Creators Update and Anniversary Update. If you're running Windows 10 Creators Update, version 1703, then you should see an update titled KB4103722. This update, according to Microsoft, includes a number of quality improvements to make the operating system work better, but it doesn't add any new features for that you'll have to upgrade to the Spring 2018 update. There are a number of fixes, such as addressing a problem where Internet Explorer dialog boxes on a second monitor also appear on the primary monitor. There are also fixes for an issue with the connection status of some Bluetooth devices, as well as problems with using the virtual machine connection in full screen mode. Microsoft has listed the key improvements of KB4103722 on its website. To download and install the update, go to Settings Update and Security Windows Update and select Check Online for updates from Microsoft Update '. It can also be downloaded and installed manually. If you are running the older Windows 10 Anniversary Update, version 1607, then Microsoft also has an update for you, called KB4103720. As with the update for the Creators Update, this patch doesn't add any new features, but fixes a number of bugs and issues. These include issues with updated time zone information, a similar problem with Internet Explorer dialog boxes and second monitors, CPU groups not functioning correctly and problems with running virtual machines, VMs. For more information about the key improvements of KB4103720, check out Microsoft's webpage on the subject. Again, this update can be installed from the Windows Update tool, or it can be downloaded and installed manually.